got some goodies, and it's from one of my favorite designers. I really took advantage of the Black Friday sale, so let's see what I got. How freaking cute! This is giving me like all of the Barbie vibes. I absolutely love it, and this is in the size medium. And what's the name of the outfit here? This is, I believe, the Silver Lake Soiree jumpsuit. It's perfect, and I believe this one is a medium, and it is so comfy. I thought it was going to be a little more like itchy or like, no, it's so cute. And I paired with my Betsey Johnson Fall Mules. Ready for the next one? Oh my god, I am absolutely in love with this dress. And this is a size small. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye.